Welcome back, or welcome to Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More, where I share my love of home decor for every season and most holidays. Tablescapes, indoor and outdoor inspiration. Cooking in my priceless kitchen. Cleaning motivation, shopping hauls. New videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 o'clock p.m. And join me for a live stream the first Saturday of each month. Now, please consider following me on my socials, Facebook and Instagram as well. Today's video has a little bit of it all. Some cleaning motivation, a quick shopping haul, and a bathroom refresh near the end. So let's enjoy this video to music. Grab a beverage and a snack, and I'll talk to you at the end.
Let the anthem rise up, let the song ring out, let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout. Let the anthem rise up, let the song ring out, and let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. Lift up a shout. Shout, lift up a shout of praise. We lift up a shout of praise.
So on my mini vacay to Pooler, Georgia, I stopped by HomeGoods and found a few things. For a whopping $7.99, I found this set of 3 kitchen towels in that sage green and white. Then I found this 2-piece hand towel set for about, how much was this? Oh, it was $14.99 with the flower detail. Then I found a 4-piece silicone spatula set, and this was around, I believe, $5.99. Yeah, right, $5.99 in this cream color. Well, beige, gray, well, something like that. Then, of course, you often have to replace your shower liner. So this was only $6.99. And the matching towel was $9.99. A sage green 2-piece bath set for $19.99. I truly hope you enjoyed today's bathroom refresh, cleaning motivation, shopping haul. Well, so much so that you will give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. I'm glad that I was able to refresh this bathroom on a meager budget, incorporating new items with things I already own. Again, I appreciate you stopping by the Johnson Ranch. On your way out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you join my growing Priceless family. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more, well, sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now let's go to my next video.